Hello YouTube friends, welcome to my channel. My name's Deidre from our Upcycled Life, and I do a lot of repurposing, thrifting, and DIY content. If you like that kind of stuff, we love new crafting friends. So make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss any great content. Today I'm going to show you how you can take a cardboard box from your recycling bin and make it beautiful. Easy technique. You probably have all the stuff at home already, and it's basically free, and they make fantastic gifts, and you can do so many different designs with it. So today I'm going to show you how you can fix up a cardboard box and make it beautiful. Okay, let's get started. First thing we're going to do is cut all those flaps off with a nice sharp knife, and then take all the extra tape off that's around the side of the box. And because we took all the tape off around the outside, I'm going to reinforce the inside with a little bit of packing tape so it doesn't all collapse. And I'm using my homemade baking soda paint, and I'm going to put 2 coats on, and it covers really well over this cardboard. If you haven't made any baking soda paint, you need to try it out because it covers fantastic and it's really cheap and easy to make. And I picked up this stencil on Amazon. I just love the leaf pattern, and that's what I'm going to use on this project. I put a little bit of spray adhesive on the back of the stencil so it'll stick better, and I'm going to apply it to one side of the box, press it down firmly, and then I'm going to use my texture paste. And this texture paste works great. It gives your paint a little bit of a raised feature when you use it, and it looks wonderful when you use it with stencils. I'll put the recipe for this down below in the description and up above here. Try it out. It's a really cool technique. And I'm just using a credit card to apply the texture paste, and when you're all done and you've applied the texture paste over your whole stencil, you pull it off and it looks fabulous. I love when I can take something that would normally be thrown out in the trash or put in a recycling bin and make it pretty. This would be a great DIY to do with your kids, or if you need a last minute gift. These make great gift boxes. You can fill it up with treats and then put wrapper around it, tie it at the top with a nice bow, and it just finishes it off perfect. And don't waste that paint on that stencil. Push it down on a piece of paper and reuse it again for another project. You can also use these for all kinds of different holidays: Easter, Valentine's Day, Christmas, Halloween. Just use different stencils for different holidays. Fill it up, and you could put flowers in them, you can put treats in them, you can put holiday decor in them. The possibilities are endless. If you have 2 or 3 smaller boxes, all kind of assorted sizes, you could do a nice table centerpiece for fall and fill them up with pumpkins and gourds. I just have so many things racing through my head of what you can do with these cardboard boxes. So I've decided I'm going to put a plant in mine and give it away as a gift. So I'm going to put a nice burlap edge around mine. I just picked up this ribbon at the dollar store. I'm going to hot glue it all around the top, and I think it'll finish it off really nice. Okay, all finished. I'm going to put a pretty plant in it, and doesn't that look fantastic? Now head to your recycling bin and grab those cardboard boxes. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I love to read them. I'll be sharing so many more DIY, thrifting, repurposing videos, so if you aren't already following along, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and that will let you know when I upload my next video. See you real soon. Take care and have a great day.